Hi, I'm John Coghlan, developer advocate at GitLab. Today I want to show you Agentic Chat. This is one of the most powerful features inside GitLab Duo Agent platform. In this demo, we'll see how you can use it to search for and document blockers, identify and address critical gaps in your software, and use custom agents inside the GitLab UI or the IDE. Let's take a look. To get started, let's ensure that Agentic Chat is turned on in our project. I'll go to Settings, then General, and scroll down to GitLab Duo. Here I can make sure GitLab Duo is turned on at the project level. It will also need to be turned on for my group and my instance. Users need to set a default GitLab Duo namespace in their profile preferences. This namespace will be inferred when working with Duo in the UI, the IDE, and the CLI. Once that's done, Agentic Chat is ready to use. No additional configuration required. I'll go back to my project and get to work. I'll start by opening GitLab Duo Chat from the sidebar and choosing an agent from the list. Then I can start working with the agent. I'm going to ask what open merge requests are blocking the next release and what's their current pipeline status. After I enter my prompt, the agent will show you how it works. It pulls in context from across GitLab. It'll look at work items, pipeline failures, and more, and create a response that leverages all that context. I see the merge requests with the failed pipelines that are blockers, so I'll ask the agent to create issues to track those MRs. I need to approve the issue creation, which gives me a chance to review changes to my project before they're made. Once I approve, the issue gets created. And when I open the issue, I see that everything I need is there. Yep, both merge requests are being tracked in this issue. Jump into the IDE, I can select from the same list of agents enabled for this project here. This time, I asked for a walkthrough of how loan calculations are validated and processed, and for the agent to flag any areas where input validation could be strengthened. After reading the project files, the agent gives a readout of what it sees and identifies critical gaps that need to be addressed. I can ask it to tackle those first few gaps, adding constraints for the car price, repayment years, and interest rates. So I'll ask it to add max constraints for those three things. And as it goes, you'll see the changes begin to get made to this file. Each change is visible right in my IDE. All three changes are made as I requested. When using Agentic Chat, you can choose from agents GitLab maintains or your own custom agents. Here I'll select my team's coding standard agents to ensure that our project's coding standards are being followed. My team controls the prompt and the tool access for this custom agent, managed in GitLab's AI Catalog. Before the issue comment is added, I can review the change. And it's giving me a good explanation of what's going on with this merge request. And I can see in the summary that there's some critical issues found, but our standards are met. In this demo, you saw 3 examples of how to use Agentic Chat to speed up your software development lifecycle. But we knew that there are possibilities to do so much more. We can't wait to see what you built with GitLab Duo Agent Platform.